Today I am in this beautiful park with my bike, and also I have a surprise item to show you all. So as you can see, the light name is Click. It's from a smart bike light. So before opening, just want to mention there are a couple of features listed here, like it has some boosted visibility, brake light, it has theft alarm, alert goes to your mobile phone, custom mode, you can switch between different modes to suit needs, and also you have a group sync. If you are riding with your friends and couple of other people, you can synchronize the lighting pattern, so it is clearly visible to other road users that you are in a group. And you also have a mobile app to change the settings. Alright, so without wasting any time, let's unbox it. Oh man, you see, the light is amazing. It's a very small light but can you see, it has some kind of chipset inside it, some kind of processor, and the LED lights are clearly visible. Wow, it's very premium looking light and very well built. I don't know what is this material, some kind of plastic and silicone, but the build quality is looking superb, top notch. So let's check it in a minute and see what else we have in the package. Alright, I'll put it down here. Complete your ride. So some manual here. Which shows what all mounts and straps and cables it has. Alright, let's put it aside. So basically it has a rubber mount strap, a cushion, it's a main clip, some kind of clip to hang your light onto your backpack, and there's a clip if you want to mount this light onto some wearable items like your clothing or your pocket or your backpack strap. And also you have one USB cable. So these are all the items which you get with this light. And the light itself, I'm amazed by the build quality of this light. As you can see, this light is very tiny, very small light. See, it's just fitting into my fingers, not more than 4 fingers. And I really like this thing. Like I can hide it in my pocket, or wherever I am going I can carry it if needed. but the best thing about this light is that in this tiny form factor, like they have packed all the technology like auto braking. So if you are going on road and suddenly you hit the brake, every time you hit the brake this light glows and alerts the oncoming traffic about your presence. So this light makes your presence unmistakable. So I'm yet to test its capabilities and how bright this light is, but one thing is clear, that this is very well built light. As you can see the chipboard and the CPUs and circuits inside and the optics, it's a very like crystal clear kind of screen or glass here. Also you have this button to switch it on, so if I press it, so it glows. So you can see this light is pretty bright. There are a couple of modes. If you press it, it changes the modes. Okay, now you can see it's pulsating, and it has 3 LEDs inside it, 2 big and 1 small one. Alright, so if I press it again, it changes the blinking mode. If I press it again, it goes to some kind of normal or stable mode. Okay, I'm sure you can see it clearly now. Wow, the glow mode is amazing. Okay, this is a brighter glow. This is another blink pattern, and if you press it again, it switches off. Alright guys, so these were the couple of modes, and before mounting it to my bike, I want to show you the main feature. Okay, so this is like a stable mode, and let's say you are going on road and you see it glows. So that's the main feature. Whenever you're gonna brake, this light is going to get brighter. You see, no matter you're going how fast or slow, uphill or downhill, if you brake, this light is going to glow even brighter. So this feature is amazing, man. Now I don't have to worry about mounting multiple lights on my bike. One light is enough. I can go out in dark with one light. Wow. Every time you slow down, it's going to glow. Alright, so let's see how this light can be mounted on my bike. Just pick up your light and okay, let's put it aside. Just pick up this clip and take this rubber strap. So, and that's the main clip. Okay, so you will have to put the rubber strap inside this part, okay, and push it a little bit here before putting your light inside. Now you can just put the light into this thing and push it bit of a force, and it snaps. It just clicks in, and then you can mount it. It's a pretty small light, but it packs all the technology inside it, and you can see the chips inside it and the LED lights, how they are pretty much visible. So this light came with couple of mounts, And right now, as you can see, there's a strap and there's a clip and there's a cushion. So this cushion goes inside this strap to provide a bit of a shock absorption, and to mount this light on this strap, it's pretty easy. So basically you will just put it in like this, and bit of a pressure, it snaps. Okay, and then you can mount it on your bike. That's it. So as you can see, it's pretty easy and to mount it and unmount it. And when you have to unmount it, like pull the strap and it's easy. So as you can see, there are a couple of modes. If you press it, this goes to a low power mode, steady mode, and if you press again, it changes the mode to glow, and if you press again, it glows even faster. All three. So I like the modes, they are pretty simple and easy. And to unlock it from the its clip, just push it out, and that's how you can just remove the strap. And I just want to show you, like it's a USB rechargeable, so if you can recharge it via USB, it charges in 3 to 4 hours completely, and it runs for 20 hours. 20 hours, that's in low power mode, but if you want to run it in full brightness mode, it will run for 3 hours. Yeah, 3 hours. So that's pretty okay. And the best part about this light, what I like, is it's auto brake sensor. So you see, it glows automatically. So that's the best part I like. Whenever you brake or change your speed, and it's gonna glow even brighter. So that's the main reason I got this light, because it provides a lot of safety and confidence on road, because I mostly ride in evening and night time, and you know, traffic in cities are too much. So this provides me a bit of a comfort. So I never go out without this light. Alright guys, so after spending some time with this light, I can say I found this light very useful and technologically advanced. Its compact form factor and all its features makes it a very handy light and superb light. I think it's a most technologically advanced light I found yet, and the features, the modes, the range, and the user experience, and how it feels, how it's handy it is to hold in hand, and how bright it is in night. Man, I found this light amazing. Overall feeling and build quality is superb. It's waterproof, it has auto theft alarm, and you can switch it off via mobile app. You can put it to auto sleep mode, and which makes it ultimate light that you can carry around. Somebody like me who mostly ride in evening and night in dark area, busy traffic, this light is a must. And I mean, I from safety point of view, I always needed a light like this which provides a auto braking when I'm going in busy traffic, busy city area. So the more visible, the more safe you are on road, especially in night time and dark time. Bikes are not visible. Bikes don't, cars and heavy trucks, bikes are not visible in dark. So this kind of light is a must to have. And before this I have been using 3 lights, two light on this pipe, one this side and other side, and 1 light here. So I used to go with 3 lights, but now I don't need all those 3 lights. This light is enough. So you can see in daytime also this light has visibility. I mean, this light is pretty visible in daytime also. Okay, so this light can complete your ride, and if you have been looking for a technologically advanced light, I think this could be a great match for you. So just try it out, and I'm still trying, and I found this light amazing, man. All right, good morning guys. So it's been a while I've been using this light, and I found this light very easy to use, and there are a couple of modes which I normally switch between. And normally I ride in a stable mode, and upon braking it glows bright, and so it provides me a lot of safety in night and evening and dark time whenever I am riding in busy traffic, and I don't have to worry about what is going on behind me. So I focus in the front. In front I have main headlight, and this light is small light. It provides a lot of safety and comfort, and man, it's handy. I can operate it from mobile app, so I don't have to fiddle around in bike and changing modes. I will just mount it on my bike, and I'll take out my mobile app and change the mode, whatever mode I want. So from that point of view, this mobile app complements this light. And I can say after some time I spent with this light, and I've been testing it in different times: morning, evening, night, late night, and this light is superb, man. I mean, see the size, man. It's very compact. There are other lights which are like a strip and kind of flimsy thing, but this light is very, very well built, and it's waterproof if it's raining, or like if you go in a misty area. This light is not going to get harmed by anything. So yeah, so I can say that this light has a lot of range. So 20 hours is more than enough, I guess. And if you're riding in full brightness and glow mode, so this light will run for 3 hours. Okay, and for charging it takes 3 to 4 hours completely, and it gets charged fully via USB. And yes, I mean, with this light I can go out and explore the city, go to mountains, go to countryside, wherever, and I can carry it in my backpack and use it wherever I want. So finally I found this light very, very useful, and for my night riding, and because mostly I ride in evening and night time whenever I get free time. So this kind of light is a must to have for somebody who's riding in dark area and busy traffic. And in busy traffic it provides a lot of safety. I mean, you don't have to worry about what is coming behind you, and you can easily focus on road and enjoy your ride. So I can say this light just completes my ride. Alright guys, so have fun, keep riding, and be safe.